Hi everyone, welcome to my chess channel Aditya Teaches Chess. I am Aditya, affiliated player and chess coach. I hope you have seen my last videos made for beginners, and this is the fourth part of this beginner series. So in this video, you're going to learn about the chess notation. What is chess notation? A chess notation is a standard method for recording and describing the moves in a game of chess. It is based on a system of coordinates to uniquely identify each square on the board. It is used by most books, magazines, and newspapers. I already explained in Chess Beginners Part 1 to how to name a square. Please watch it. So first we will start with the pieces. Each piece is identified by an uppercase letter, that is letter K for king, Q for queen, B for bishop, N for knight, R for rook. In chess algebraic notation, each move of a piece is indicated by the piece's uppercase letter plus the coordinate of the destination square. For example, bishop c4. So I move the white bishop to c4 square. So first I will write the upper case of the bishop, that is B, capital B, and c4, the name of the square. Knight c6, capital N indicates knight and c6 indicates the square of the name. It means the knight moved to c6. Knight f3. F3 is the name of the square and N refers to knight. Bishop c5, capital B and c5. Queen e2. Q refers to queen and e2 refers to name of the square. d6. For a pawn moves, a letter indicating pawn is not used. Only the name of the square we will use. So we will use only name of the square d6, d3, the name of the square, h5, h4, rook h6, rook h3. The capital letter of the rook, the uppercase of the name of the rook, capital R, and h3 is the name of the square. K refers to king, d7, the name of the square. When a pawn makes a capture, the file from which the pawn departed is used to identify the pawn. F captures g6, H captures g6. So here a multiplication is inserted before the destination or name of the square. F captures g6 and H captures g6. When a piece makes a capture, a multiplication symbol or into mark is inserted immediately before the destination or name of the square. For example, queen captures the rook. Queen Q refers to queen, into mark refers to captures, and C4 the name of the square. and queen captures e5. Queen into mark e5. Queen captures e5. Rook captures a7. En passant, captures are indicated by specifying the capturing pawns file. Here, black moved d5. Now, e captured d6. E captured d6. When two or more identical pieces can move to the same color, the moving piece is uniquely identified by specifying the piece's letter and their file or rank. So here rook b6. It means even this rook can move b6. So if someone says rook b6 in this position, then how can we know which rook is going to b6? Then it is very easy to find out that the rook 2, the rook 2, the 2 refers to the rank. The second rank rook moved to b6. If the seventh rank rook moves to b6, then we will write the notation as rook 7 b6. Suppose if rook moves to e5, if someone says in this position rook moves e5, then which rook it means? So rook a e5. One should has to tell rook a e5. The rook on a5 moves to e5 square. The rook on g5 square moves to c5. Pawn promotion notation. When a pawn promotes, the piece promoted to is indicated at the end. For example, a8, if I took queen, then a8, the name of the square is equal to queen because I took the queen. Now b8, if I took the knight, then b8 is equal to knight. The n letter refers to knight. If I move c8, if I took rook, then c8 is equal to rook. So chess notation in castling. Castling is indicated by the special notation 0 minus 0. For kingside castle, we use a 0 minus 0. For queenside castle, we use 0 minus 0 minus 0. This refers to queenside castle or long castle, we call it as. So chess notation in check, a move that pieces opponent's king in check usually has the symbol plus. So here e5 plus refers to check. Rook d3 check. Queen d4 plus symbol indicates check. Checkmate at the completion of moves is represented by the ash symbol. Queen d5 checkmate. Queen d5 dash symbol represent checkmate. The notation 1 minus 0 at the completion of moves indicates that white won. 0 minus 1 at the completion of moves indicates that black won. The notation
1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 indicates that the game is draw. Both players got half points.
Thanks for watching my videos. In the next part, I am going to teach you how to capture, attack and defense. Please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you once again. Bye bye. See you.